that we as a poor nation with limited resources do not have the wealth to make contributions for economic institutions or for funds. We cannot make contributions of monetary contributions in terms of percentages. But let me assure you, with Allah as my witness, that we shall give our blood for the cause of Islam. These are not empty words. We have had many difficulties in Pakistan. We have had many problems in Pakistan. But by the grace of Allah, these problems are being overcome one by one. The nation is progressing. And the people of Pakistan are the soldiers of Islam, and the armies of Pakistan are the armies of Islam. Wherever the need arises, on whatever the occasion, you will find that Pakistan will not be found wanting. I am ashamed that in the last conflict, we were not able to do what we wanted to do. But God forbid, if there's a conflict in the future, you will find the whole weight of Pakistan behind your cause. And inshallah ta'ala, in Baitul Maqdis we shall enter as brothers in arms.